We are noticing a major shift in the auto industry. I'm going to show you how you can capitalize on it. We're going to start right now. What's up, everybody? It's Ronnie Haskins. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. That way you'll be notified every time we go live or drop another video. Okay, so let me give you a bit of history. I've been in the car business since '93. Back in the 90s, it was always about payments. Payments. People made decisions based on just if the monthly payments fit in their budget or not. That's the way it was done. When we got into the 2000s, people started using cash for more things. We've had obviously in the early 2000s, there's a lot of things going on. So people were trying to have less car payments, lower terms, pay cash for cars, and now it's shifting back. So folks have become more wise. In the article that I posted below, people are talking about they are focusing on payments and with little to no regard to the overall cost. And I disagree with that. I think people are focused on the cost and they're picking the lower payment with less maintenance. All right, so write this down. We're going to talk a little bit about this, not caring about overall costs. I think they're wrong, and this is why. Take a $31,000 car, write this down. Take a $31,000 car, 4% interest, including taxes, is about $628.50 per month. Now, when you multiply $628.50 times 60, it equals $37,700. Now take that same $31,000 car and lease it for $350 a month times 36. Don't forget to write that down. $350 times 36 equals $12,600. Now here's the magic. $12,600 times 3 equals $37,800. So 3 new cars for $37,800, or 1 car which is used now after 2 years of financing. 3 years of financing. You have 2 more years remaining to pay it off, and all the risk involved. And that's going to cost you about the same amount of money as leasing 3 of them over 9 years. So what I'm finding is that people are transferring the risk to the manufacturer. I would rather, myself personally, I'd rather have 9 years of leases at a fixed monthly cost with no fear of transmission, sunroof, any of that stuff, and pay about the same as I would pay for 1 car. So when I read an article that says people are taking lower payments with no thought as to what they're going to spend long term, I think they're wrong. We have given this a lot of thought. When you remove maintenance and major service, you can save yourself a lot of money, not just today, but over the course of 3 different cars. Okay, point number 2, the shift in the auto industry is technology. People are using their cars like smartphone. Read that article I put out, and it will talk about all the luxury cars and even non-luxury cars. The technology is shifting every day. The cars have backup cameras, laser cruise, radar cruise, lane keep assist, lane keep monitoring. They have sonar. They have all these different things that is changing so rapidly that none of us can keep up. When you think about the cell phone in your hand, this thing is outdated within every time I buy one, then I see the advertisement for the new one. It's crazy and drives me crazy. So I don't like being tied down to it. That's why there's probably 4 of them laying around the office. However, we can't do that when it comes to cars. So think about it. Short-term financing like leasing can end up being very beneficial if you like technology like me. So if you get a chance to read that article, please post your comments, because we'd like to open this up for discussion so we can all understand it better and how it's affecting us. Now, everything I'm saying, you don't have to apply to your life. I'm just giving you some new ways to think about it. My name is Ronnie Haskins. Thank you for watching today. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family, and hit the like button on the video.